Hello student, Hemant Sir is here. So today we are going to solve the next few problems of the practice set 3.2. Okay, it is the part of your chapter called arithmetic. We have solved question up to the question number 6 in our previous video. Now we are going to solve the next few problems, which is the first one of today's session is the question number 7. The question number 7 says the 11th term and 21st term of an arithmetic progressions are 16 and 29, okay, respectively. Then find the 41st, that is the 41st term of the arithmetic progression. Okay, so we have two numbers in arithmetic progression which are the 21st and 11th term. Okay, so first we have to write the given part. Okay, then we will solve. Okay, so what is given? So the given is, so the given part, so what is given? 11th term, 11th term, which is T11, and T11 is given, so T11 equals to 16. Likewise, 21st term is T21, therefore T21 equals to, it is also given, it is 29. It is 29. Now we have to find 41st term. So we have to write to find. What we have to find? 41th term. That is T41 we have to find. Okay. So now we have the formula. What is formula? It is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, so now we are going to solve here. Okay, so solution now. Solution. So we have to write formula first. For formula is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So for 11th term, for T11 क्या हो जाएगा? n equals to 11. Therefore the formula will becomes T11 equals to A plus n is 11. So we have to write 11 minus 1 into D. So T11 is given. T11 is 16. So we have to write 16 here. 16 equals to A plus 11 minus 1 is D, and D 11 minus 1 is 10. So 10 into D is 10D. It is 10D. So if we want to calculate A, we have to transfer this 10D to another side. So we can write it as A equals to 16 minus 10D. Okay, just write it down in bracket. Now it is for 11th term. Now we have to find for 21st term. Now for 21st or T11, n equals to 21. For 21st term, n equals to 21. It is 21. 21. Therefore, what is formula? The formula is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So Tn, we have n is what? 21. So here we have to write T21 equals to A plus n is 21. So we have to write 21 minus 1 into D. So now T21 equals to, we have, it is given here, it is 29. So here we have to write 29 equals to a plus 21 minus 1 is 20. So we have to write directly 20 into d is 20d. Okay. Since a equals to, here we have 16 minus 10d. Since a equals to 16 minus 10d, how? By equation 1. So we have to replace this a equals to 16 minus 10d over here. Okay. Therefore 29 equals to a. A is what? It is 16 minus 10d. Then we have plus. See, a के बदले में हमने इस वैल्यू को रिप्लेस किया. Then we have plus 20d. Plus 20d. So see, this 29 we have to transfer to another side. So we will come in negative form. So 29 minus 16 equals to, see, 20d minus 10d is 10d. So 29 minus 16 is 13. So we can write 13 equals to 10d. So we have to calculate the value of d. So d equals to, we will transfer this 10 to another side. So we will come in division form. So 13 divided by 10. So d equals to, we have 1.3. 1.3, or we can write this also. Okay, 13 by 10. Now we have the common difference, it is 1.3. Now we have to identify a. So we will put the d equals to 1.3 in any equation, we will get the value of a. So we have to write here. Let it is equation number 1. Now place d equals to 1.3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? It is a equals to 16 minus 10d. So d is 1.3. So a equals to 16 minus 10 into 1.3. So a equals to 16 minus 10 into 1.3 is 30. So we are calculating here. So a equals to, we will get 16 minus 13 is 3. Okay. So this is our first term, a equals to 3. Now we have to calculate the 41st term. Okay. So we are solving here. Okay. By red it. Now T41. So formula we have, it is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we have to write here for T41 n equals to is 41. Therefore we have formula n equals to, we have to place 41. So T41 equals to a. What is a? A is 3. So we have to write here 3 plus n is what? 41. So 41 minus 1 into d. What is d? It is, you can write 13 divided by 10 or 1.3. So we are writing 13 divided by 10 into 13 divided by 10. So T41 equals to 3 plus 41 minus 1 is 40 into 13 divided by 10. So 10 1 is 10 and 10 4s are 40. So 13 4s are, so T41 equals to 3 plus 13 4s are 52. So 52 plus 3 is 55. So T41 equals to 55, and this is our answer. Okay. So the result will be, so what will be result? So we are writing result here. So the 41 term of AP is 55, and this is our answer. Okay, so this is a quite lengthy one, but really very easy one. Okay, so write down, then we will solve the next problem. So now we will solve the 8th problem. Okay, so 8th problem says 11852 is our arithmetic progression. Okay, in which in this arithmetic progression, which term is number -151. So if we will increase this arithmetic progression up to 151, so we have to identify 151 is the which term. Okay, so we have to find the nth term. Okay, so we have to write given. What is given? The first term, that is a equals to 11. Okay, now d equals to what? D equals to t2 minus t1. If it is in arithmetic progression, so we can take any consecutive term in order to calculate d. So d equals to, what is t2? T2 is 8 minus t1 is 11. So d equals to 8 minus 11 is minus 3. Okay, so we have a, we have d. Okay, so we can calculate nth term. Okay, now formula, to find what we have to find? Nth term for number minus 151. Okay, now formula. So what will be the formula? It is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so now we are going to solve. So solution. So we have to apply the formula. So we have to write formula first. It is Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so see which term we have to calculate? This Tn. So Tn equals to, what is a? A is 11. So we have to write 11 here, plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is minus 3. So nth term is 151 negative. So we have to write here. So here again we have to write in given nth term is negative 151. So here we have to write negative 151 equals to 11 plus, see we have to multiply minus 3 by here. Okay, so minus 3 into n is minus 3n, then minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Okay, so negative 151 equals to, see 11 plus 3 is 14 minus 3n. So 3n को हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे इस साइड में, ये नेगेटिव में will come in positive form, and 151 we will transfer to another side, it is negative will become positive. So 3n equals to 14 plus 151. Okay, so 3n equals to 5 plus 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, and 1. So it is 165. So we have to calculate n. So in order to calculate n, we have to transfer this 3 to another side, and it is in multiple form. Then we will transfer, will go in division form. Okay. So here n equals to, we can write 165 divided by 3. So n equals to, see we have to divide this. So 3 5s are 15, then remaining is 1. and 1 and 5 will become again 15. So 3 5s are 15. Okay, so n is 55. That means the 55 term of this given arithmetic progression is negative 151. So we have the answer. So we have to write result now. So result. Okay, so result. So the 55th term of given AP is negative 151 and it is our answer. Okay, so see, the questions are really very easy. So students, this is the solution of the equation question number 8. Okay, so we have two remaining questions. If these are tasks for today, okay, so you can solve these two remaining problems, or if you won't able to solve this problem, then we will solve in our next video lecture. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं next video में. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. So bye for now.